your copier out of staples and you don't know how to change them? Keep calm. Supertechs is going to show you the way. Next. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is identify what finisher you have, either this big one here or the small one here. And we're going to go ahead and remove the staple cartridges, and then I'll show you how to replace them. So the staple cartridge should be in the front here if they're out. Just slide it right out like that. Same thing with the big one. If it's out, it should be in the front here. Lift up and out. But as you can see, these staple cartridges are different. I'll show you how to change both right now. Okay, so this is the staple cartridge for the big finisher, and this is the smaller one here. The smaller one's a lot easier. Just put your finger in the back and lift it right up and out just like that. Put your new one in the same direction, front forward, and snap the back in place just like that. I'll show you how to put it in a minute. The larger one, there's two buttons on each side that say push. Just push those in, and it'll come right out the bottom like that. Okay, now you want to slide this out, and it could get caught. Just slide it out easy. It may break, it's no problem, but it does get caught sometimes, just like that. Now you want to put your new staples in the same way with the tape on for now, right along the bottom, same way, same thing. Make sure it doesn't get stuck, just like that. Now once it's in, you can remove the tape on the bottom by pressing it just like that, and then close the door, and you're all done. Alright, so big finisher first, just open the door, push it in. You should hear a clicking noise. In and down. Once again, put it in and down. After you close the finisher door, you will hear a noise of the finisher advancing. Don't worry about that. Same thing with the small one. Go ahead and make sure it's all the way up. Slide it in, and you'll hear a clicking noise. That's it, guys. That's how you change staple on a Konica C754, 754, 654, C654, and various other models. Thanks for watching. Bye.